Hi, I'm Amy Karanik, a Sculpey brand ambassador. Let's take a look at the oven-safe silicone molds. Sculpey oven-safe silicone molds are a great tool to use in your Liquid Sculpey, oven-baked clay, and resin projects. The silicone molds are really easy to use. I want to show you how to fill a little cavity with some oven-baked clay. I am focusing on this little shell right here, so I want to form my clay to be about the same size and shape as the shell, just to get started. Then I'll push the clay into the cavity and use a lot of fingertip pressure to make sure that I'm really getting my clay down in there to get all those beautiful details. Now you can see that I have overfilled the mold just slightly, so I can simply shave that away with any of my tool blades. Now the mold is ready to bake. You can completely fill the whole mold and bake it in your home oven, or you can take this piece out by gently flexing the mold and setting the shell on a baking tray, and this way you can refill the shell mold over and over and make multiple pieces at one time. Let's take a look at filling the mold with Liquid Sculpey. I'm going to use two colors, gold and peacock pearl, and these have already been stirred completely. And I want to fill this mermaid fin and tail with two colors. I'm going to start with the fin end and just basically layer in some of this gold liquid just right there in that area. Next, I'll take some of the peacock pearl and I'll open the tip up completely, and I'll flood this area with the peacock pearl. I can use my needle tool to spread this liquid evenly into the fin cavity. If you want to, you can even use your tools to help mix the two colors together where they join. Tap the mold on your work surface to release air bubbles. Now this is ready to go into your home oven following the baking instructions for Liquid Sculpey. Here's a quick baking tip for baking thick molds filled with Liquid Sculpey. Take a dish towel and dampen it with water, wring out as much water as you can. Then position your filled mold in the middle of the towel. This baking method will help the thick silicone mold bake in really flat, even pieces. This mold is completely filled with both Liquid Sculpey and oven-baked clays, and it's so easy to release the baked pieces. Simply flex the mold from the corner and lift the pieces out. The Sculpey molds are great for all types of projects, from jewelry to home decor.